Alright, this is a 1972 Chevelle Cold Start.
No, it's a Cadillac, Auntie.
Alright. Just show the motor. Alright, let me close it.
Why would you want to do that?
Watch it.
What? No, you should have left the hood open. It looked cool.
Steel cowl hood brake. Alright, go to the back. Go to the back.
Oh, okay. I can go
Make sure
out.
you show my license plate. I want to get spilled. Tell me when you're ready.
I could be ready for 6 months.
Right up. Oops. No.
Move over.
What? I'm not moving.
No, move over.
No.
This video's not going on yet. Move over.
I'm alright.
Just move over.
Wait, why do I move over?
Because I want to get in the car and I want to see stuff. Move over. Okay.
Let me see. Tom, don't do that. Oh. Alright. A little cold up in here in Canada. Starting the Chevelle brake, cold start. Chevrolet. Alright. What's the oil pressure at? We're good. Show seat spray. Yeah, no, you see green buckles. That's what we have for now. The black one's downstairs. Alright, kill it. Gotta move it up. No, leave it like that. Tom, dude, pump the brakes. Okay, that's good. Okay, what are you doing? Pump the brakes 9 years. Good. Alright.
Alright, that was a Chevelle video. I'll start my truck now and make a video for my page. Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye.